everyone, it's Anne-Marie, color specialist here at Storm Hair Group. I'm going to be going over today our home color kits and how to apply them on your own. So first, you're going to put on your gloves because you don't want to get any hair color on your beautiful fingers. And once you're done that, if you have a dark color, you're going to take any kind of Vaseline or conditioner and you're just going to go around your hairline just so we don't get any color staining on the skin. Okay. So once you're done that, you can go ahead and mix your part A and part B of your color. You're gonna mix it for at least 45 seconds to make sure you have a great consistency. Okay, so once that is done, I have a comb and a couple of clips to help me push back any hair that is in my way while doing my section. So we're gonna do a section going right across the top, like this. And then you're gonna go from your ear, the back of your ear, to the top, and take this front section out. I'm trying to make this as clean as possible. You're gonna have one section. That. I'll just move this out of the way. Then you're gonna do the same on the opposite side. So starting from the top again, working your way back to the back of the ear. You can just comb everything back. So now you're gonna have your two front sections and the back section. And now we can start applying the color. So with my brush, I'm just gonna take a little bit of color and I'm gonna look carefully and I'm just going to dab wherever my new growth is, slowly working from the front and back, using both hands to help keep any hair down from coming up. And now you can do this two ways. You can either use your brush, your end of your brush, or you can use the comb to take the next little section out as thin as possible. It's okay if the lines aren't completely straight, but you don't want to take a thick enough section where you have too much color and then you get a little bit of overlapping on the hair that does not need to be colored. So the thinner the better. Take your next section, take your color, and continue going down, working your way from top to bottom. Now, if you're a blonde color, you don't want to push your hair down. You want to lift it up a little bit so we don't get any overlapping. Now, if your arms get tired, no worries. Take a little break, reset, stretch them out a little. As you work down your head, if you need to grab another clip to help hold the hair out of the way, you can do so. little bit more difficult to do it on yourself, but with patience, you can do it perfectly. And just making sure my sections are as clean and straight as possible. Taking fine sections all the way down. All right, side one done. So now I'm gonna flip all this hair back over. We're gonna take out our clip from our other side. Now we're just gonna make sure that our section is still good. If it did come out a little bit, no problem. Just take out the clip from the back and just reclip it out of the way. Okay. Now, everyone's gonna find that one side's a lot easier than the other. That's okay. Just take your time, no need to rush. But you're gonna do the same thing. So just taking small sections all the way down the hair. Now that both your front sections are done, you can flip this back over. You're gonna push everything back for just a moment. So you can touch up any little hairs that you're missing around your hairline, because let's face it, that's what people see on your Zoom calls. So I'm just gonna quickly go in, back around my hairline, making sure that all hairs are being covered. You don't want to over apply lots of product. You just want to take just enough for the little babies. Now that we're done the front, we're gonna get to the hard part, and that is working on the back of your head. So let's take our front sections, make them as neat as possible, pull them forward, and this is where it's gonna be all pretty much by feel, because obviously we don't have two mirrors behind us, but we're going to take our comb and we're going to split down the center, making two sections again. I'll turn it around so you can see. So two sections. One section you're going to take and clip out of the way. If you don't have a clip, you can use hair elastic bands and just elastic your hair out of the way so nothing gets into your sections. So now we're gonna pull this back We're gonna very carefully work down this section here. So now we're gonna work on our last section. And we're gonna try going top to bottom this time so you can see it both ways. So again, trying to take decent sized sections so we don't get any lines or banding. Now obviously you guys can see that is way too thick of a section, so I'm just going to take my comb and cut it a little bit. That's better. And there you go. Congratulations, you've just applied your roots. Now, if you are one that has bought a toner or a full root color, you don't want to apply anything else for now. You're gonna wait about 20 minutes into your processing time to pull through either your full color or a toner you can do as well. So yeah, I'll be back in a bit to show you guys that. See you soon.